What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a Dodge Challenger GT 2019 with a 3.6 liter V6 non-SRT. So this vehicle, as well as other Challenger GTs that have the non-SRT option, all come with the V6 engines. Prices are starting at around $30,000 to $33,000 brand new for these Challenger GT models. Obviously, you can get a cheaper model used, but going on with a little bit more prices here, talking about price ranges when you start upgrading your trim level. The RT SRTs will start from about $45,000. Once you jump up to your Scat Packs, you're looking at starting from $49,000 up to about $60,000, depending on what mods are on the vehicle and if it's brand new or used. Hellcats, the V8s, will probably be upwards of that $70,000 mark, again depending on what mods are on it, what trim level is in it, if it has sunroofs, the interior trim level, any bolt-ons, extra stuff underneath the hood, rims and tires, etc. Hellcats, Red Eyes, Demons, all that stuff right there is top tier, so that's going to be that 70K mark all the way up to 130K, excuse me. So yes, these things are going to get very, very pricey, just like everything else is going up here in our world today, here in 2022 going into 2023. And then there's also, Dodge has also created a drag pack that you can buy straight from the factory that is not legal on the street because it does not come with a VIN number. It is strictly track use only. And that drag pack will cost you about $89,000. It does have a 354 cubic inch supercharged 630 horsepower V8 in it. And then lastly, we have our jail brakes and wide bodies for these Dodge Challengers and Chargers. So again, those will be that $70,000 to $130,000. Some even cost a little more than that, depending on low mileage and if it's a brand new car. So that's what you guys are looking to spend if you guys are looking to get into a Dodge Challenger. Again, this one right here that we've been looking at for the past few minutes is a Dodge Challenger GT. This is the lowest base level Dodge Challenger that they make, starting you brand new at about $33,000. So this one here has the blue racing stripe, nice blue paint, nice interior, heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel, sunroof. Comes with everything that you need for your radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Has rear seats, not a whole lot of space back there, but this is not a minivan, it's a sports car, so that's what you should expect. Nice features with the windows. When you open the car door, windows come down a little bit. When you close it, window comes down a little bit again and goes back up. Safety feature for the glass, dual exhaust in the back. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.